Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. This 3-in-1 welder unit can be used for stick welding, MIG welding, and DC TIG welding. When used for MIG welding, it is easy to set up to perform flux core welding. However, it can be easily switched to run mild steel through gas setup. When used for the stick welding process, this unit can easily run stick electrodes. A ground clamp and stinger are included for this process. A 3-position switch enables you to quickly change the process. With an all-metal housing and metal wire drive assembly, this device is made to last. The Forney Easy Weld 140 MP has limitless voltage and wire feed speed adjustments to help you achieve the ideal weld. It is large enough to accommodate 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. You can utilize stick electrodes up to 1/8 of an inch in diameter and gas or gasless wire up to .035 with this welder. A multi-process welder that is simple to switch between MIG, DC TIG, and stick welding is the Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. Although it is configured for flux core welding, this machine is easily convertible to operate mild steel with gas setup. You can weld up to 14 inches of mild steel at 140 amps in a single pass. Hose and regulator are supplied separately. This machine's 3 functions enable it to do DC TIG welding. You will need to buy the proper torch, regulator, hose, tungsten electrodes, and gas separately in order to use this technique. All metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. Full metal wire drive assembly. Our second best multi-process welder is YesWelder Digital MIG 205 DS Multi-Process Welder. YesWelder Gas or Gasless Multi-Process Welder is a portable welder that can be suited for a wide range of applications including iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel welding. The welder is perfect for home DIY as well as general repairing works. With an inbuilt LED monitor, you can get to know the necessary information including voltage, amps, and welding mode. You do not have to play the guessing game, rather you can easily get the information from the LED display. As a multi-process welder, you can use this unit as flux core, MIG argon, MIG CO2, and stick and lift TIG weld. You can easily switch the welding mode based on the welding application. The welder is protected by IGBT inverter technology with current control and stable performance. It operates on 110 volts and 220 volts with a high duty cycle of 100% at 123A and 154A. This multi-process welder is compact in size with dimensions of 18.5 by 14.2 by 7.9 inches. Besides, the welder weighs only 33 pounds that makes it convenient to carry and operate it. Using the integrated high-quality wire feeder, the welder achieves a stable wire feed rate to ensure a smooth welding process. There is also a built-in spool feeder that is compatible with 2 pounds and 10 pounds wire spool. Third pick in our list is ESOP Rebel EMP 215 Multi-Process Welder. The ESOP EMP 215 welder unit delivers reliable efficient performance for different welding processes. It can be used for MIG, stick, flux core, and lift TIG welding. Motivated by the professional welders, this unit is a complete package to weld aluminum, steel, and other metal parts. It is suitable for amateurs and experienced welders both. The intuitive display enhances user convenience during the use. The comfortable handle lets you easily carry this equipment. The ESOP EMP 215 welder unit delivers reliable efficient performance for different welding processes. It can be used for MIG, stick, flux core, and lift TIG welding. Motivated by the professional welders, this unit is a complete package to weld aluminum, steel, and other metal parts. The innovative display comes with a huge display screen. This screen comes with a high pixel density to present a clear view. On the screen, you can see the user's manual and listing of spare parts. This intuitive display lets you enter your wire size, material thickness, and material type. The 120 or 230 volt dual voltage offers flexibility to choose from 120V or 230V. With the help of a unique handle design, it feels comfortable to handle it. The lift arc is smooth and offers reliability. This machine can correct the mistakes made by the operator. Number 4 on our side is Weld Pro 200 amp multi-process welder. The Weld Pro 200A multi-process welder is one of the latest welder units of this year. It is capable of accomplishing true lift TIG welding and aluminum welding along with the optional spool gun. It is easy to set up and durably built to last longer. High power is provided by the IGBT inverter technology in a thin, portable device. At a maximum 200 amp output, this device is capable of doing MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding equally effectively. With the optional spool gun, the Model 200 can also stick weld metal and do true lift TIG welding. This multi-process welder can handle just about any task, including welding metal when utilized in MIG mode with the optional spool gun. Easy to view and set amperage and wire speed on a dual digital display for consistently repeatable welds. Overload and high temperature protection with indicator for VRD. Settings for user adjustable inductance. Number 5 in our top 5 best multi-process welder list is Azuno 200A multi-process welder. This welding equipment has 4 different welding modes that you can pick from: flux MIG, gas MIG, MMA, and lift TIG. The voltage and wire feeding speed will automatically change when the amperage is changed or different wire thicknesses are used. It is simple to use even for beginners. Gasless flux core wire or solid wire are both options. This welder can handle wire rolls weighing 2 pounds and 10 pounds that are 0.8 mm to 1.0 mm in diameter and have a maximum welding thickness of 4.5 mm. It is capable of welding copper, carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and other colored metals. It is applicable to electrodes made of a variety of materials, including fiber, acidity, and alkylescence. The voltage and wire feeding speed will change automatically as the amperage of wire thickness are changed. The welder machine equipped with a handle grip, making it easy for you to carry anywhere you want. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.